Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to withdraw USDT TRC20 from your Trust wallet. So it depends on where you want to withdraw it and how you want to withdraw it. So this is how I would do it with the lowest fees and the easiest way I know how to do it. So open up your Trust wallet right here, and then let's go to your wallet and then locate your USDT Ethereum. So the first thing you'll have to do is press send right here, or yeah, basically press send. From there, you want to go to your favorite exchange. For me, it's going to be Binance. And then I'm going to press deposit right here. So I'm going to press Ethereum US or just USDT, but TRC20 right here. So TRC20 network. So again, USDT, TRC20 network, and copy that right here. So you can actually scan also if you like. It's easier if you have two phones for scanning. So you can also copy that address right there. And then we enter it right here, and then we paste it, and then we enter the amount. So it says invalid address because we are using Ethereum, not TRC20. This is ERC20. So let's look for TRC20 right here. I don't think I have it. So let's just look for USDT so that we get the TRC USDT. So I'm not sure if I have it right here. Yeah, it's not added, but basically if you have it already in your wallet, because ERC20 is transitioned to TRC20, and you must check that out, and you must check out the network that you are depositing into. So these are the ones that are available. So there we go, ERC20. So just for example, you scan this, we copy that right here, we go back to Trust Wallet, and then we select the Ethereum USDT right here, press send, enter the actual address and the USDT amount. We send that amount and it goes to Binance basically, and then from there all you have to do is transact in P2P. So funding, P2P, and then USD, press sell, and then the amount you want right here and the payment method you want it to be received in, and then you sell your USDT via P2P method right here. So there you go, guys. That is how you withdraw USDT from TRC20 from your Trust wallet, and it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.